Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to create a user with home directory in GUI mode in Rocky Linux 8 operating system. So now I am going to settings. Okay, settings, details, users. Okay, settings, details, user. Click the unlock button. So it will ask for a root password. Provide the root password. So now you can see add user button is enabled. Click the add user button. So now I am going to create a standard user. So set the password. So please provide the valid password. Don't provide any common names. Otherwise that add button will not be enabled. Okay. So now you can see that add button is enabled because password is correct. Click the add button to create a new user called Java Forum. Yes, a new user called Java Forum is got created. Okay, now let me log off the current user. I'm going to log off the current user. I'm going to verify whether Java forum is created or not. See here, two users are there. Java forum also is there. So now I am going to log in as a Java forum. Yes, I can able to log in as a newly created user called Java forum. Now let me check whether I'm having home directory or not. Yes, so it has home directory. Java forum user has a home directory. So this is the way we can create a user with home directory in GUI mode in Rocky Linux 8 operating system. So make use of this feature if you don't know the command to create the user.